Guys, welcome to Collect Government Job. There is a new update for Youth Corporation of India Junior Assistant Aspirant. Here you can see a new update, practice typing test. So if you click here, then you see this page, but you don't enter here anything. Just click here, submit. Okay. Then I confirm. Then here click here. Then okay. Then you see this is a demo typing paragraph, so you can practice here your typing speed. Okay, so guys, it is clear now that Youth Corporation of India will conduct typing test soon, and also will declare JCI result very soon. Okay, so I suggest you to watch my cutoff analysis video. In that video I have mentioned everything regarding cutoff score. I have given the link in description of this video. So from now, give at least 4 hours daily for typing practice. Though speed is 40 WPM, but it is not very hard. Okay, so give maximum time in typing practice if you are getting 90 plus score. But if you cannot qualify in typing test, then you will be rejected. Okay, so typing is also very important in this examination. So if you have any query, then you can do comment in comment section. I will try to help you. So guys, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching this video.